In this video, we'll learn how to create an invoice in PinkyBill. 1. Access the patient's visits. Click on the Patients tab from the main menu. Open the desired patient. Navigate to the Visits tab. 2. Open the invoice form. Click on the settings icon of the visit for which you want to create an invoice. Select Invoice from the list of available forms. The invoice form will open automatically with patient, provider, employer, and insurance details pre-filled. 3. Choose Invoice information. You can select what information you want to include on the invoice. Use the checkboxes to include or exclude sections as needed. 4. Fill in the invoice details. Enter the date of service, description, units, and amount for each billing line. The total balance due will be calculated automatically. The file name is automatically generated by PinkyBill, but you may rename it before saving if needed. 5. Save and store the invoice. You can preview the report by downloading it from here. Click Save as Patient Docs. The invoice will be stored under the Files tab, inside the Invoice folder. Once saved, you can open and review the invoice anytime. Editing an invoice. You can download the Word file from here, make your edits, and then upload the updated version to replace the old one.
PinkyBill.